It's something about concrete finishers.
Something about concrete finishers that make us really strong?
Mm-hmm.
All right, show everybody your muscles. Say concrete life.
Concrete life.
3, 2, 1.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Certified Concrete Chronicles. Today, we're gonna form up a slab for the chicken coop. You ready to get the materials for our concrete slab?
Yes.
What are you gonna do?
With a trowel and a mag.
You're gonna use a trowel and a mag? What are you gonna do to the concrete?
I'm gonna make it food.
Alright guys, we're on our way to Home Depot to grab some lumber for a chicken coop for my Aunt Lisa in her backyard. She's got some chickens and the chicken coop is currently on some dirt. So to get them off the dirt, we want to put them on a nice concrete slab. And who's gonna do that? Us, baby. Alright, Cayson? Who's gonna be the main finisher on the job? Okay. I just got to Home Depot this morning, dude. Got 2 sheets of wire for the chicken coop slab. I got 37 bags of concrete. I'm waiting for them to be dropped onto my trailer, but they're taking forever. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. That's what I'm talking about. That's good right there. This Home Depot didn't have a rental department with a concrete mixer. So we got to go all the way to get a concrete mixer. It's like 17 minutes out of the way. So a little bit of a delayed start this morning.
Says he wants it to hit the tree. Hi, chickens. Say hi, Bubba and Molly. Hi. You guys ready to move?
It dumps in like that.
That looks good. I see you.
I'm doing
You're doing it. I will have to fix it though.
it. Mom, why is it going back?
Needs a new battery.
Okay, we are at the end. Last part of this slab here. I'm gonna wipe it out and broom it. Let me give you guys a better view here. Oh yeah, that's... You gotta finish the broom. Last part of the broom. Let's clean our broom off.
Can I do it?
And here we go. Yep, let me see you push it. Push it like this.
Okay.
And then once you get to the end, come back and bring it back nice and straight like this.
Okay.
All right, do it right there. Yep, push it all the way forward. Now hold on. Let me put it back straight for you. Stand right there. Hold on. Now pull it back nice and straight. But hold on. Okay, go. Nice broom job, dude. That's how it's done. That's how you do it, son. Good job. Pick it up. I'm gonna walk it over there.
What?
He said, do it.
Okay, we are all done with the chicken coop slab. The chickens now have a nice concrete slab. We're gonna put a 4 inches of bedding on top, maybe some hay or something like that, right, Cayson?
Mm-hmm.
And we did a good job today. We finished that concrete. Who was the main finisher on the job?
Me.
Oh yeah? What kind of finish did we do?
Uh,
A broom finish?
yeah.
Nice, nice. Did you use the edger too?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Tell everybody what you think, what you know about concrete.
It's something about concrete finishers.
Something about concrete finishers that make us really strong?
Mm-hmm.
All right, show everybody your muscles. Say concrete life.
Concrete life.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.